In this tutorial, I will show you how you as an admin in Empower version 9.5 can easily save different types of elements to the Empower library. The procedure for saving elements is basically always the same. First, select the element you want to save to the Empower library. Then click on the split button Library in the Start group in the Empower ribbon and select Save. Only when saving a complete presentation, you do not have to select all content slides beforehand. In this case, you can select Presentation directly via the Save button. Since I've selected a slide here, I select Slide and confirm my selection with Save As. If the element you want to save has already been saved somewhere in the library, you can update this element by clicking on Overwrite in the Save dialog. After confirming your selection with Save As, the Save dialog will open in a new window. Here you can select where the element should be stored and also select New Folder directly in this window by right-clicking in the free space of a storage location and create and name a new folder. As an example, I use the user library as a storage location. You as an admin usually save in the company library or the corporate design templates. You can also specify the file name and assign a tag directly to the element to make it easier to search and find elements. For more information about using tags, visit the Help Center and YouTube. If you click on More Settings, you will have more options before saving. There, you can activate the feature Change Detection. When this feature is enabled, only the parts that have changed on the slide will be overwritten. This option is enabled by default. The second option you can select here is Automatic Language Detection. If this function is activated, Empower automatically recognizes the languages of the elements that are saved if the corresponding language has been set as the element language in the Customizing Center. An English slide with text is therefore recognized as an English slide and is assigned the English language. In the library, you can see this language assignment through a flag icon of the corresponding language when you navigate over the slide with your cursor. We recommend that you activate this function. In multilingual slides, a language is detected when 2/3 of the content is in the same language. After you have made all the settings in the Save dialog and selected the folder location of your element, you can confirm the saving process by clicking on Save. The element will then be uploaded to the library and you will receive a notification about the status of the save process from the Empower Sync. You can also save single or multiple objects such as icons, text elements, charts, tables or images. To do this, first select the desired element as usual, such as this icon here. Then, as before, open the Save dialog and select Single Object in this case. Then you can select the storage location as usual, such as the appropriate area in the corporate design templates, and assign a file name and confirm the entry with Save. For more information on how to save the other types of elements, see our tutorial on saving content for users. If you save single or multiple objects in the library, for example multiple shapes, there's the option Gray Thumbnail Background at More Settings, which gives the element a gray background in the preview in the library. This may help you to see the preview of the element in the library. When saving an element that is already in the Empower library and part of an update link, you can also define the update behavior. To upload multiple slides at once, select all the slides you want and select Selected Slides in the Save dialog. The slides are then saved as individual elements in the library. The naming of the slides or elements cannot be determined if several are saved at the same time. The Slide Set option also saves all slides in the library, but you will not see the first slide in the library and you will not be able to access the individual slides in the library. However, when you insert the slide set into a presentation, all slides are available to you again. This option is always useful if there's a group of slides that you want to use together at a time. With the slide set, you prevent a user from using only one slide of the set for other purposes. Please note, presentations must be saved in PPTX, PPTM, or PPT format to ensure proper functionality of Mpower. To save a new master to the library, select Master in the Save dialog and click Save As. For more information about creating and saving a master, visit the Help Center and YouTube. All Mpower elements must be downloaded from the full view of the library and can then be reformatted, and then overwritten again via the Save dialog and the correct selection of the Mpower element. The position on the slide where the element is placed when saved is also the position where the element will be reinserted later when the user inserts it. You can find more information about the Mpower elements in the Help Center and on YouTube. Feel free to test the functions yourself and save valuable time. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us.